Shavette, and it comes with minimal branding. There's naked armor on the lock and also naked armor on the backbone. And then as you can see here, I'll raise this up. There is the Shavette. Now the good thing about Shavettes is that it's not a single blade, which means there's no honing involved. And the Shavettes will allow folks to use their own double-edged razor blade that they want if they have a favorite brand. Get at the blade, right? You're gonna unlock the handle like this. You're just gonna shift it up, and then this arm actually splits in two. And then we'll just do this, right? So there you have it. There are nodules on the one end where you'll see that these holes will fit over the nodules, and then you'll lock it in place. And those nodules, in fact, line up really well. I did shave with this, believe it or not. I will get into that story as well. But here is half of Oshhod that I had used. I broke it in half. And then all you do is simply line it up just like so. If you can see, those nodules fit right inside those bevels that are in the blade. In fact, you close the arm on top and then you lock it down and you're all set to go.